What's up, everybody? Hadley's Famous here, coming to talk to you guys about the new Eachine watch. It's the RD200. This watch is a good FPV feed receiver that you can use for a spotter. You could use it for on your transmitter if you're doing stick cam, and this also records DVR. Let's take a look at this thing. Let's break it down and see what it has for components, and let's go over what it looks like with the FPV feed as well. Frequency is 5.8. It's a 48 channel. Antenna is 3 dBi at 5.8. 2-inch LCD screen pixelation. 960 by 240 by 2, the screen. The video format for this is compatible with NTSC and PAL. It does have a SD card of max of 32 gigs, so you can record up to 32 gigs on your DVR. Video format for recordings is AVI, 640 by 480. You do have the option for playback. You can go back and re-watch a DVR recording. So if you don't have DVR on your goggles, this probably will be a good option for you. So if you have a crash or something, you can't seem to find your quad, you can go and review the DVR footage on here and hopefully help find where your quad went down exactly. The OSD on this thing has RSSI, frequency, battery, and the SD card. So it'll let you know if it's recording, if it's red, or if it's green, if it's not recording. Charging port is a micro USB 5 volt. Charging time is around 120 minutes. Use time is about an hour. I'm going to be testing this at a couple of different environments. I'm going to be doing a long range spotting, and I'm going to be using it as a long range spotter accessory. And then I'm going to be at a tiny whoop race monitoring what's going on at the races and what everybody's times are, what their quads look like under camera and stuff like that with this watch. How's it going?
Right?
Yes.
How you doing, Cruz?
Hi. Nice to meet you, Cruz.
Good to meet you, Jeff.
Yeah, I just came down to test out this new watch that Banggood sent me because you guys are doing some whoop racing, and I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to test this thing with multiple channels. It's got a little DVR in it and stuff.
All right, goggles down, thumbs up when you're ready. I see 1, I see 2, I see 3 on your name.
So much fun. Had a good time. You guys should definitely check it out.
What a day. What a day. I don't even know where to finish this video off with other than I would definitely buy this. Yeah, it's dope. It's definitely worth the money. I think it's very cool. Very cool item. And to top it all off, it worked for long range. Like, my buddy Adam was doing some long range testing with his quad, and it worked all the way out a mile, and he was only pumping out like 200 milliwatts or something like that. Worked great. I was amazed, you know, so especially when I got out underneath the Ramada. Like, that's when it really was like clear. Easy to spot for him, easy to keep an eye on where he was and what the quad was doing and stuff like that. It helped drastically. So this thing is definitely worth your money. Check it out, guys. Links below.